Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Hope you all are fit and fine and had a lovely weekend. So today we will start the multiplication of fractions. So multiplication of fractions. Here two fractions will be given to you. Let us say a by b is the first fraction and c by d is the second fraction. Then the product of fraction, product means to multiply. So product of fractions will be equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. That is how it is written as numerators are a into c by denominators are b into d. Clear? So let us see one example. Here they are asking us to solve 5 into 4 by 9. So 5 you have to change to a fraction. So 5 to fraction will be 5 by 1. 5 by 1 into 4 by 9. So 5 into 4 is 20. 1 into 9 is 9. So 20 by 9 is the answer. That needs to be changed to mixed fraction. How we used to change to mixed fraction? Divide the given fraction. 9 twos are 18. What is left is a 2. So it will be a quotient. This is your quotient. 2 whole remainder by denominator, that is 9. That's how you are getting 2 whole 2 by 9. Now again we have of. Of also means multiply. Okay, so if it is given 1 by 4 of a rupee, it means what? First what you will do, a rupee is there na, so 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 1 by 4 of a rupee will be 1 by 4 of 100, that is 1 by 4 into 100, that is 1 by 4 into 100 by 1. Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 into 25 are 100, so it will be 25 by 1, that is equal to 25 pies. Clear, isn't it? 25 is equal to 25 by 1, and if it is 9 by 1 it will be 9. These things are clear to you. To convert a whole number to a fraction, and when the denominator is 1, it can be written as a whole number. One more kind of question is there. Which is greater, 3 by 4 of 36 or 4 by 5 of 35? So first we will solve 3 by 4 of 36. That is 3 by 4 into 36. It can be written as 36 by 1. So 3 into 36 by 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. 9 threes are 27. 27 by 1 is a 27. Okay, next part is 4 by 5 of 35. So 5 into 7, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 4 sevens are 28. So which is greater here? You can see 28 is greater. Clearly 28 is greater than 27. Hence 4 by 5 of 35 is greater than 3 by 4 of 36. So now we came to the exercises. First question. Multiply and reduce to the lowest form. So first you will multiply, and if it is possible, reduce it to lower form, and then convert it into mixed fraction. So moving on to the second part of first question. Oh, by mistake it is done. Okay, second. So this will be your homework, and this is done as classwork. Not a problem. So third one, you see 13 into 1 by 4. So 13 will be written as 13 by 1 into 1 by 4. 13 ones are 13. 4 ones are 4. When you will reduce it, you not reduce, when you will write it in mixed fraction, it will be 3 whole 1 by 4. Same way for question number 2, second part. 5 whole 1 by 4 into 6. So 5 into 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So that's how it is 21 by 4 into 6 by 1. Now cancelling with the 2. With the table of 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. So what is left here? 21 into 3 by 2. Actually it can be written as 2 into 1. So it is 63 by 2, which in mixed fraction is 31 whole 1 by 2. Third one, second part, find 1 by 3 of 15 by 7. So simply multiply 1 by 3 into 15 by 7. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are sorry, 7 ones are 7. So this is your answer. Question number 4. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. So if it is possible, you reduce, otherwise you leave the answer as it is. Let us see question number 7, subpart 7. So it is 3 by 2 into 7 whole 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23 by 3. When you will multiply and reduce, you will get the answer as 11 whole 1 by 2. Question number 5. 4 by 5 or 5 by 6, which one is greater, or 2 by 3 or 4 by 5. So we will solve them. I have made a box in between them so that we can show which one is greater and which one is smaller. On solving this first part, we get the answer as 2 by 3, and on solving the second part, we get the answer as 8 by 15. Now you can see here they are not like. One denominator is 3, another is 15. So we will find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So we will change 2. Now 3 needs to be changed to 15. So it will be a 3 into 5 and 2 into 5. That's how it became 10 by 15, and the other fraction already was 8 by 15. Now which one is greater, 10 or 8? Obviously 10 is greater. Therefore 4 by 5 or 5 by 6 is greater. This way you have to solve. Comparison we have already done, isn't it? When like were there, then big numerator means it is a bigger fraction. When unlike were there, you have to find the LCM and then solve it. Question number 6, the subpart 5th. You have to find 11 by 25 of a liter. A liter. A liter means 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So in place of liter, we will write 1000 milliliter. 11 by 25 into 1000. Now 25 ones are 25. 25 40s are 1000. So 11 into 40 by 1 is 440 by 11. So finally the answer will be 440 ml. Clear? So all the homeworks are marked for you. That was all for today, my dear students. Do the works on time. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.